To the back door. 766 442. Say good evening, happy Father's Day, aloha.
What's up, brother? Chill out, you want you go to the show with you? I'm gonna get it nice. Why 1,000? Big on state of Texas.
442 Hawaii Island, looking good. Hey, 442 Hawaii Island. Hey, 10, good night. 442 Hawaii Island, bye-bye.
Go back, go on. Go back. Who's that little station calling Switchblade? I don't like leaving. Put your name in all of them. That driver working, man. That's just like a working. Driver working. That big driver working for you. 766 got up there. Sheet up. What's this mean? The rough coming in. Heard you when you... What are you saying? One tip making a rough coming in the back of my damn chest. Switchblade with no conditions. Good job. Is that you? 8504. Right back. Play this up. There he goes. Yeah, down that drain. Switchblade with no condition. Right now.
Hey, Uncle, have a good night. 442 say have a good night. Hey, Uncle, happy Father's Day. 442 gone. Bye.
Take care, 442. Switchblade, one thing. Aloha.
Oh, Uncle, have a good night, man. Have a good night. Be watching to your talk show. Get you some more time. Uncle, Switchblade, your nephew on the Big Island, Hawaii gone. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, 442, you want this, boy? You want this? Right now.
Good night. Bye, Uncle. Aloha.
I just called like this. Keep a real fella like this. 504. Your baby go. Switchblade, probably way.
Hey, Uncle Billy, 442 waving a 5 from Hawaii. Hey, Uncle Billy, 442 with a Father's Day wave from the Hawaiian Islands. Uncle Billy, 442 gone. Bye-bye. And then, alright, okay, Uncle Switchblade, take care, man. I just bumped out the driver and I just waved the 5 to Uncle Billy, but hey, I'm back on the drive out here. Hey, Switchblade, I turned the big stop off. Oh, Uncle Switchblade, 442. Oh, okay. So, Uncle Billy's nephew out there. Okay, Uncle Switchblade, take care, man.
You know that.
I think sample them, what you call, possum sausage out there over there, so. Switchblade, take care. Your nephew on the big island Hawaii waving. Your nephew on the Hawaiian island, say, shaka, I'll see you, bye. Okay, out there, 722, take care. Uncle Switchblade, take care. Good night, guys. 442, shutting it down. I love it. And then, Uncle Billy.
We're going to save these for last.
Hey, Uncle Billy, welcome to the weekend. 442 on the Hawaiian Island movie. See ya. Bye-bye. Alright, out there. Uncle Billy, alright. Have a good night. Have a good night. Saturday weekend. Uncle Billy, 442. Shaka. Aloha.
We're going to save you for last, Master Blaster. When Mother Nature falls out in the south, he'll be able to talk to you.
Liquid cool. Oh, hey, bad boy, man. Yeah, I just working a little hard. I'm still doing some tweaking and peeking out here, but I hope it's only good out here. Hey, bad boy on the west side, take care. 0442, the Hawaiian Islands waving. You bad boy. Yeah, my father is 442, say, I holla in aloha. Mother Nature, Lord, wow. Take off the Switchblade 442 station. I'm taking this little audio, this 629 built right here in the Hawaii Valley
Hey, Blade, that's the kind of audio you want.
This study is just for you. This is real. You have to have a big eye in the way. Yeah, liquid cool. But hey, I'm gonna Switchblade. This one I had custom made for you. So hey, Switchblade 442. Walk like a man. Machete 442. So I tell them program another one. Program another one. Around and this is what we get. So when I talk to you, I just press 006. Hey, Albert Switchblade. You're nasty on the big island.
Bad boy, make them all disappear, bad boy. Bad boy, ModSquad. Bad boy, ModSquad. Hello.
Oh, yeah, Harley. Yeah, Uncle Harley. No, they sound like a man. They sound like a man. Uncle Switchblade, I want to know, break.
Mr. Machete, ModSquad. Mr. Machete, ModSquad. I do it again. Take it, Mr. Machete, ModSquad. Honolulu. ModSquad gone.
Machete, I was 37. Machete, 442.
You saw the problem? ModSquad, Honolulu. They got Mr. Machete, ModSquad, Mobile. ModSquad, we're going to meet up with some of the good time gang CBs in Honolulu. Mr. Machete, ModSquad, Honolulu. Hey, 442, keep that down. On my radio. Who's here doing conditions? Switchblade, Switchblade. ModSquad, Honolulu, Mr. Machete, ModSquad, the little car, Honolulu, and Mr. Machete, aloha. ModSquad. I mean, he's 60 miles over after me. ModSquad 200 miles behind me. And northwest on the island. We are doing condition. The Machete can't go, man. You are. I can barely hear you, man. I know you do. You know, Mr. Machete, they already bought everything in the goodie store. They already bought everything in the goodie store. I don't know what more they need. ModSquad, Mobile, right there. I called over. Yeah, that's what I mean. You guys got both of them, ModSquad and Falco too. What he's seeing up, you're talking to ModSquad, he takes you not out of my area, but you're in the background. And sometimes you surge up in there, but most of the time he up in front. If he would have came out earlier, he probably tried, but he couldn't get past you. My bad boy, ModSquad don't buy anything. ModSquad didn't buy anything for 20 years. ModSquad, Honolulu. Hey, bad boy, ModSquad. I'm playing their game with my same equipment. ModSquad gone. Switchblade. Ain't no doubt about it. I had to use a separator because this is a great conversation. All right, man. You better stay at home, man. Don't use that plastic cardboard you put your pretty ones up in New York. Switchblade. Bye. ModSquad. Take care, Switchblade. Take care, Machete. Switchblade. Take care, Machete. 442 bomb. Bye-bye. Yeah, so you better watch out, man. Mr. Machete, look at what you'll be on a line. The pretty ones up in New York. ModSquad, Mobile, aloha. They got it back worldwide, around Wolf Lake, Switchblade. I'll see you back. The thing is, I'm not even close to Machete. You think you're out there in a bag of chips. Put it on your little Switchblade. I want to make me a big bowl of salad, man. I just got cabbage, you know, I got romaine.
For Switchblade, he said, what's up?
You get out of tomatoes, but no tomatoes, man. Ain't that bad about it. Put on your lid out. Switchblade, I'm here. And that's how it works right there. ModSquad, across and take the loss. Aloha.
And then right, Switchblade, hey, every time I said that you can hear him a little bit, and he say, what's up, what's up, what's up? Switchblade, take it out in machete. 442 with a Cody, 442 with a Cody. Hey, Switchblade, and the old machete.
I'm the boots. About Switchblade, I'm headed to the kitchen. I'll see you. Bye. My 5682, ModSquad. Here I am again. Hey, bad boy, tell him here I am again. Bad boy, tell him here I am again. In the 6-2 Aloha.
Waving, 442 said vanning out of here. Hey, machete, good night. 442, bye bye.
Ride 15. Hey, 442. Hey, 442. You keep up and put a blanket on the floor. Hey, 442. Switchblade, put that.
Right there, I have a Switchblade,
No matter how big your bleeding, and ModSquad took over. I see you now. You big, I see you now. Bad boy, you all take care, man. And I got ModSquad gone. Aloha.
Oh, yeah, you did put my uncle's radio off. Yeah, one pill, you did. You take your one pill. Happy Father's
Chicken ball out of the same old thing again. Aloha.
Take care, walk in. 442 waving to a one pill. Switchblade, medicine man.
ModSquad, aloha. Pineapple juice checking in. Hello, bad boy. Hey, pushing for right in Honolulu. ModSquad gone. Yeah, boss. What are you, a boss maker? Pineapple juice squeeze in there, aloha. Watching. You know that, it's all in fun. I know it's fun for the lose money, guys. It's fun for the pineapple juice. Look out there, you man. Tell my son I'm ModSquad take over. ModSquad take over live. ModSquad do it live and take over. Aloha. Hello, my brother in the field, pineapple juice. Come on down to the luau. Let's rock.